And today we'll get an update from both Mecklenburg County and North Carolina leaders on COVID-19. Thanks for joining us, everyone. I'm DAMANY Lewis. Now, the big thing that we're watching for is the continuing rise in cases and hospitalizations locally and what this means for the state's reopening plan. Let's turn now to our Elsa Gillis, and she joins us live now outside a testing site in East Charlotte that just opened. Elsa.
Yeah, DAMANY, this mobile testing site behind me is opening up as we speak, and people are being directed to wait over here in the parking lot, and then they are being taken down around the building to the mobile testing site. And you can see the line of people waiting just a short while ago. One person told us he got here around 9:30 to make sure he could get one after experiencing 2 to 3 hour waits at other locations this week. The governor, the DHHS secretary, and local health directors have been advising anyone who has been in a crowd or participated in recent protests to get a test. But some have found it difficult to actually do so. We have been hearing of people running into long waits or being turned away because of testing sites being at capacity. But the state is continuing to test more people. Just yesterday, North Carolina had one of its highest days of testing at over 19,000. And as you said, we do expect an update from the governor, from Mecklenburg County health officials in just a couple hours. And hopefully with that, we'll get an update on testing. Back to you.
All right, Elsa Gillis reporting live for us this evening. Thank you so much for that. Well, Governor Henry McMaster has issued a new executive order which lifts restrictions on bowling alleys and retail capacity restraints. Now, if you go to a bowling alley, open lanes will follow social distancing, so people are 6 feet apart. You're asked to bring your own balls and shoes if you have them, and the alleys will undergo constant cleaning and disinfecting. In North and South Carolina are among several states seeing a spike in cases. Our SERENA Marshall explains the demands lawmakers have from the nation's top health care officials.
Good afternoon. From Florida to the Carolinas, Texas, and Arizona, 11 states reached record high 7-day averages Thursday. The Johns Hopkins tracking map shows at least 20 states with an upward trend in average daily cases, some more than 10%. Much of this spike seen as a result of the Memorial Day weekend, around which time many states entered phase 2. Health officials saying it's too soon to see the impact of the nationwide protests on COVID cases. This spike prompting lawmakers to call in the country's top doctors, Anthony Fauci and Deborah Birx, to brief them.
We need to understand why these spikes are happening and how to adapt our national response.
The task force that once met almost daily at the White House lately has only been meeting once or twice a week. The number of deaths in America have now topped 112,000, and despite this growing number of positive cases seen across the country, many states are moving forward with their reopening plans. The president back to the campaign trail next week with one of his signature rallies. Reporting outside Washington, I'm SERENA Marshall, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.
SERENA, thank you. Well, many states are pushing ahead with reopening plans despite experts' dire warnings that a new wave of the pandemic is coming. Listen to this here. One Harvard doctor says we will likely see more than 200,000 people die from COVID-19 by September. County health officials in Florida say people aren't wearing face coverings or social distancing, well, causing their spike. And take a look here. The stock market has been rocky over the last 24 hours, in part because of the rising cases here. You can see right now the Dow, though, up 470 points right now, so a good start as we head into the afternoon. Well, again, we are expecting updates today from Mecklenburg County and North Carolina officials. Governor Cooper will hold a briefing at 2 o'clock. Then Mecklenburg County will have an update at 3, and you can watch those on air and online at WSOCTV.com. And then today at 5, we will continue digging into the testing and rising cases, and if we can even think about moving into phase 3 later this month.